Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulidiana Dwi Saputri. I'm from SMK N2 Pasuruan. Today, I want to tell you the story about Rapunzel. Long ago, in a small and remote village, there lived a poor farmer and his wife. They lived a very simple life. Their small house stood near a forest, and every day they struggled to find enough for the survive. One day, the farmer and his wife were very hungry. They walked around their village, hoping to find something to eat, not far from their house. They saw a beautiful garden filled with fresh fruits and vegetables. The fruits looked very delicious and colorful. But there is a problem. The garden belonged to the neighbor, an old and very cunning witch. The farmer and his wife knew that the witch was dangerous and their hunger was too strong. Finally, they decided the garden and began trying the fruits. But suddenly, a look issued from behind them. How dare you steal from my garden? The farmer and his wife took a run in fear. Standing behind them was the old witch, staring at them with angry eyes. The witch raised her hand and said with a threatening voice. The witch raised her hand and said with a threatening voice, I will curse both of you and turn you into a mouse. The farmer and his wife were shocked and very frightened. They fell to their knees and begged the witch for forgiveness. Please forgive us. That said, we were only hungry. The witch looked at them for a moment. Then she smiled. But it was not kind smile. I will let you go, the witch said slowly. But only on one condition. The farmer and his wife looked at each other nervously. You must give me your first child, the witch continued. But they were also afraid of the witch curse. Finally, because of the fear, they to the witch demand years pass. One day, the farmer and with his wife gave birth to the very beautiful baby girl. The baby had big eyes and a sweet smile. But their happiness did not last long. Suddenly, the old witch came to their house. Without hesitation, they walked took the baby from them and carried her away. The witch named the baby Rapunzel. The witch raised Rapunzel far away from the village. She looked Rapunzel inside a very tall tower. This in the from the tower had no doors and no stairs, though were small window at the top. Rapunzel gave up inside the tower. As the years passed, she because a very beautiful young woman. Her hair was long, very long, and it shone like golden in the sunlight. Rapunzel had never seen anyone else in her life except her witch. Every day, the witch come to the tower. She stood at the bottom and called out loudly, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. The Rapunzel will open the window and let her long golden hair fall down from the tower. The witch what the witch will grab her and climb up into the tower. That happened every single day. One day, young priest was leading her horse through the forest near the tower. As he passed by, he heard a strong voice calling from the tower. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. The prince hid behind a tree and wished carefully. The his prize, who saw a long golden hair fall down from the window, and the witch no. The prince was very curious. The next day he returned to the same place and waited quietly. Soon the witch came again and climbed up his tower of something. The witch came and left the tower. No, the prince decided to try the story love. They walked to the bottom of there and called out, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel let the voice and touched it was the witch her long golden hair. The prince held the hair and climbed up the tall tower. When Rapunzel saw the prince, she was very surprised. She never seen a man before, but the prince was kind and gentle. He spoke softly, and soon Rapunzel was no longer afraid. They began to talk and share stories with each other from that day on. The prince came to visit Rapunzel way right after the witch left. They spent time together, talking, laughing, and getting to know each other. As time passed, the prince fell deeply in love with Rapunzel, and Rapunzel also loved the prince. They continue meeting secretly in love the tower without God's knowing. In that is now the beautiful story of Rapunzel and the prince began. This is the end of the story. Moral value: the story of Rapunzel teaches that freedom and honesty are important for a happy life. It shows that controlling others out of fear is harmful, while courage and true love can help people overcome difficulties. Final butterflies. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.